Namaste to all. I am Vandita GB, a NSS volunteer from Besant Women's College studying in first BA. Happy Environment Day to everyone. June 5th is celebrated as Environment Day every year. The theme for this year's World Environment Day is Ecosystem Restoration, and Pakistan is the global host for the day's event. This World Environment Day, United Nations kicked off Decade on Ecosystem Restoration from 2021 to 2030, a global mission to revive billions of hectares from the forest to farmlands, from the top of the mountains to the depth of seas. What is ecosystem restoration? Ecosystem restoration means preventing, halting, and reversing this damage to go from exploiting nature to healing it. Ecosystem restoration means assisting in the recovery of ecosystem that has been degraded or destroyed, as well as conserving the ecosystems that are still intact. Restoration can happen in many ways. For example, through actively planting or removing pressures so that nature can recover on its own. How can the ecosystem be restored? All kinds of ecosystem can be restored, including forests, farmlands, cities, wetlands, and oceans. Restoration initiatives can be launched by anyone from governments and development agencies to business, communities, and individuals. That is because the causes of degradation are many and varied and can have an impact at different scales. For instance, degradation may result from harmful policies such as subsidies for intensive farming or weak tenure laws that ensure deforestation. Lakes and coastlines can become polluted because of poor waste management or industrial accident. The idea of Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, kick-started by UN, encourages youngsters like us to be innovative or become ecopreneur. An ecopreneur is an entrepreneur focused creating and selling environmental friendly products and services. It is a new way of doing business, a way to create sustainable business models and work together with and for the environment. The one person that comes to my mind when we talk about ecopreneur is Binesh Desai. He is also known as India's Recycle Man. He is the CEO of company Ecolectic Technologies. The company is known for making bricks from industrial paper and gum waste. Moreover, in this pandemic situation, the company has come up with the idea of converting discarded face masks and PPE into bricks that can be built into homes. On the occasion of World Environment Day, our college NSS unit have organized an event known as Plant One Each. As a part of this event, I have planted a plant named as Kirata Kaddi. Its botanical name is Andrographis paniculata, commonly known as King of Bitters or Kala Mega. It is extensively used in indigenous system of medicine as home remedies for various diseases. It is used to treat gastrointestinal tract and upper respiratory infections, fever, and variety of other chronic and infectious diseases. It is usually consumed in the form of decoctions. Further, this year's World Environment Day emphasizes on reimagine, recreate, restore. This is our movement. We cannot turn back time, but we can grow trees, green our cities, rewild our gardens, change our diets, and clean up rivers and coast. We are the generation that can make peace with nature. Therefore, let's get active, not anxious. Let's be bold, not timid. Let's nurture the nature for our...
Myself, Shreya Shetty. I am a NSS volunteer of Besant Women's College of Mangalore. Today we celebrate our World Environment Day. It is celebrated annually on 5th June, and it is the United Nations principal vehicles for encouraging awareness and actions for the protection of the environment. First held in 1974, it has been a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues.
So that we can have independent. ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಡೇ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುವ ಥಾಟೆ ಸಾಲು ಮರದ ತಿಮ್ಮಕ್ಕ. The next thought which comes to the mind is each one plant one. Mangaluru City Corporation has come up with a new plan, that is segregation of dry waste and wet waste. Not everybody can contribute 100% to the environment, but sitting at home you can make sure that you make work easy to the workers, that is separation of dry waste and wet waste.
Waste should be managed properly, because if it's not done, long-term effects of landfilling waste leads to poor soil quality and polluted water sources that leads to crop failure, health hazards and more. Segregating waste into different categories makes it easier to realize its recycling potential. Dry waste such as metal, aluminium, foils, glasses, fabrics, textiles, Tetra packs and plastics are non-biodegradable but can be recycled to create a new product. Organically composable items such as stale food, fruits, vegetable peels, flower waste, etc. falls under wet waste category, can be converted into compost or biogases when managed to the right way. Apart from this waste, we have sanitary waste which need to be handled carefully, and it's also called as biomedical waste.
I would like to conclude by saying, save water, each one plant one, do wear your masks.
Good morning everyone. As we all know that today is a special day, we call it as World Environmental Day. I'm Anusha Murali from 1st BCom 3rd batch of Besant Women's College, Mangalore. I'm a NSS volunteer. Today I'm going to give a short speech on World Environmental Day. World Environmental Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. This day is celebrated to raise global awareness of the need to take positive environmental action. It is run by the United Nations Environment Programme. World Environment Day was established by the United Nations General Assembly in 1972. It is a day when people focus on the environment, and it is celebrated in over 100 countries. This day is observed to stimulate awareness of the environment and enhance political attention and public action. World Environment Day is created to promote environmental issues, to become active agents of sustainable and equitable development. My dear friends, we all live in the house of the earth whose roof is environment. We should take care of these too, because our life will be healthy and safe only when the earth will be green and environment will become clean. The same earth, the same environment and life are the same. So do not waste it, live it. Thank you from my side.